Describe sets of 2 or more matching integer cards. Integers are positive or negative whole numbers that satisfy the criteria for each of these parts. In 1A, it is looking for cards that increase their score by 8. So we need at least 2 cards because it says 2 or more. And we want to increase by 8. We could use a 4 and a 4 because those match and they are whole numbers. And a 4 and a 4 have a positive result of 8. We could also use 2, 2, 2, and 2. 2 cards have a result of 8. Or 1, 1, 1. 1 cards also have a result of 8. You could also discard negative cards, but you don't need all sets. So for 1A, just choose one of these. If you want to write more than one, you can. B says cards that decrease their score by 9, which would be -9 is the result. We could do 3 -3 cards. This would be -6, and then all together it would make -9. You could also do 9 -1 cards. You don't want to do 4.5. I did see some of these in years prior, but this doesn't work because these are not integers. They do match, but they are not whole numbers. You also wouldn't want to do something like this because those are not matching cards. They have to match and be integers. C says removing or discarding cards that increase the score by 10. We want our result to be a 10. If we are removing cards, we would need negatives because removing negatives increases your score. So we're going to represent removing with just a line through these. Discarding 5 -2 cards. Discarding negatives increases your score, and 5 sets of 2 is 10. You could also have 2 -5 cards, which if you were adding them to your hand would decrease your score, but if you are removing them from your hand, they increase your score by 10. Again, the line through these just represents that we are discarding these cards. You could also do 10 -1s, but I'm not going to write all those out. D says positive cards that decrease your score by 18. So if we are using positive cards, a 9 and a 9 make 18, but that would be positive 18. So to get a result that is -18, we have to discard these 2 9s. You could also do 3 6s that are discarded, or 6 3s that are discarded. Or you could do 9 2s or 18 1s. But you need at least 2 cards. They need to be positive and change your score by negative 18, which means they have to be discarded.